Horses out, we have Golden Angge, jumps 40-year lead, moving up 40 out, so now is Totis Bez. Ice Storm is racing in third, then comes Lakota Creek and Speed Spell trails the field by about 7 lengths of the pace. Into the turn they gallop, Golden Angge just in front by about 3/4 of a length. Totis Best now trying to get closer in second. Ice Storm is racing in third. A length and a half back in fourth. Lakota Creek and Speed Spell still racing in last. They swing into the back. Golden Angge still in front by a length and a half. Totis Best remains in second. Ice Storm in third. Lakota Creek is racing in fourth and Speed Spell. And it's still Golden Angge by a length and a half. Then here comes Totis Best. Now moving a party outside. This time we have Golden Angge and Totis Best fighting it out for the lead. Lakota Creek in third. Ice Storm as they come down to the last 150. Totis Best now kicking the gear by a length and a half. Golden Angge still in second. Lakota Creek. Last 100 meters we have Totis Best now strides away by about 3 lengths over Golden Angge. And finally, Totis Best, second, Golden Angge, Lakota Creek, Ice Storm, and